Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to show games on Discord. So go to Discord and from your user settings go to connections and tap add, and if you play Spotify then tap Spotify, or if you play Xbox then tap on Xbox. And here is another way, which is go to your profile and go to your set status and then tap custom status, and now from here tap playing Xbox or playing Uno or playing Ludo, anything, and then tap save. So this is how you can do it. So thanks for watching, hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.